In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send voice messages on WhatsApp web. By the end, you'll be comfortable recording, sending, and canceling voice notes right from your computer, with a few practical tips along the way. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for WhatsApp web, or type web.whatsapp.com directly into the address bar. Make sure you're on the official WhatsApp site. You'll know you're in the right place when a large QR code appears on the page. That code links your browser to the same WhatsApp account you use on your phone. Have your phone handy for the next part. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device, go to Settings, then Linked Devices, and choose Link a Device. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. If your phone asks for camera permission, allow it. After a moment, your chats will load in the browser. For a smooth experience, keep a stable internet connection on both devices while you're using WhatsApp web. Now pick where you want to send your voice message. Click the conversation with the person or group. If you have a lot of chats, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the right one. Before you record, double-check you're in the correct thread to avoid sending a voice note to the wrong chat. Look at the message box at the bottom. To the right of the text field, you'll see a small microphone icon. Click it to start recording. The first time you do this, your browser may ask for permission to use the microphone. Click Allow. If you use a headset or an external mic, make sure the correct device is selected in your browser's site settings for the clearest sound. Once recording starts, a live timer appears, showing exactly how long your message is. Speak clearly and at a steady pace, and stay close to your mic to reduce background noise. You can take brief pauses while you think. Recording continues until you finish. When you're happy with what you said, send it by clicking the paper airplane icon. Your voice note will upload and appear in the chat. If your connection is slow, give it a moment to process. If you change your mind or make a mistake, cancel the recording by clicking the X or the trash can icon. This deletes the recording and nothing is sent. That's it. If your mic doesn't seem to work, check browser permissions and close any other apps using the microphone. With these steps, you can send quick, natural voice updates on WhatsApp web without picking up your phone.